All right, now to the very latest on the Feeding Our Future fraud scandal. The federal trial continues for the alleged ringleader.
On the stand today, a woman who operated one of the meal sites and pled guilty for her role in the scheme. Fox 9's Rob Olson is live with more. Rob, how'd it go?
Well, you know, in many ways, proving the fraud in this case is the easy part, and that is because of the number of guilty pleas. There are about a dozen or so just in the 2 weeks right before this trial began. The harder part is connecting the dots here, the concrete evidence that Amy Bach knew about it. But on the stand today, a woman who pled guilty about a year and a half ago who said she and the other Feeding Our Future leaders had to know.
It was in this building on East Lake Street in Minneapolis where Kamar Hassan opened S&S Catering in 2018. In 2020, she enrolled her business, which is no longer here, as a meal site under Feeding Our Future, and soon claimed to feed 2,500 kids every day here. Jurors were shown her submitted meal counts. Is it accurate, she was asked by the prosecutor. No. Why did you sign it? I was not thinking straight at the time, she said. We were just hunting money, but it's not good. Kamar Hassan pled guilty in 2023 and testified now in hopes of a lighter sentence, but clarified on the stand that there's no deal in place. Her catering company on Lake Street took in $6.8 million as a meal site alone and then became a supplier to other meal sites. Several were in the very same building operated by her business partner. With food, Hassan admitted she did not supply, but with that food money, she testified, she then bought the building for $5 million. In total, court documents show she and her co-conspirators got more than $16.5 million through Feeding Our Future. Often sobbing on the witness stand, Hassan said, "I feel shame and sorry for what I did." Jurors also saw this video posted by Somali TV Minnesota of a party in Hassan's building for Amy Bach, the Feeding Our Future executive director, who's now on trial for the fraud. Hassan said they were celebrating all the money. Bach's defense attorney questioned how Bach could have known about the fraud since Hassan rarely dealt with Bach directly. But Hassan said Feeding Our Future leaders had to know. They can see, she said, they have a brain.